and doing like this. Just keep going to stand beside of the mouth. You don't be scared. Stand here, hand up, and then when you push the foot to the mouth, you do things like this. Push. Push. If you push your hand in the front, you can imagine.
Yeah.
And then this is the same. Just hand up and then push. Okay? When they move the body to you, you don't be scared them.
Okay.
I need you. Come on. Come on. Push, push. Don't be throwing. Push, push. This for your question. Good. Okay. She passed. That's meaning, gentlemen, cannot screaming. She not screaming. Don't be so the lady boy, nah. Okay, enjoy your time. Thank you so much.
That's it.
แก้ปัญหาเอากันเนาะ
Jasa marah itu kan. Ini kayak itu pak kan, ini ada. Panas bos.
Baby elephant, baby go ตัวเดียวก็ได้มันอยู่ตรงกลางมันไม่ถึงกลางมันไม่ฉลาด
Hey, little fellow. Kapungka. Kapungka. Kapungka.
And then after this, we walk in the forest with them. Up.